Hello everyone. Uh, I'm Opu from Opu Art. So I am back with a new Unity tips and tricks tutorial. So as you can see, this is one of my recent project. You can find it in my asset store as well. So this is a modular bridge pack, as you can see here. Okay. So this is completely game ready asset. So today I will be talking about the viewport, different style of how can you view your asset in a different style, and what are the options that you can have in your scene build up. So like this is a, you have to go to the viewport, I mean screen maximize. You can maximize the screen like this one. So this is when you go to the standard in the top corner of the, you can see the hand tool, move tool, rotate tool. These are the standard things. Okay. And the below is the shaded. This one is the shade. So this one is the default one, the shaded one. And as you can see, the shaded thing like this is the default one. So let's say I will take the wireframe. What just happened? It's showing just wireframe. So you can see the plane is built up with a very large chunk of the, square and rectangle pieces, and these are the the wire of the model, as you can see. So this is a one kind of view. And then shaded wireframe. Okay, this one is another view that you can see the textures and also the materials, and also the wares of the wireframe of the geometry. So like this. Okay, wireframe of the geometry. So this is very effective when you are dealing with a lot of geometry, lot of game assets in your project. So this is effective for this one. Like you are seeing here, that this geometry is built up with very minimum amount of the wireframe. Okay, minimum amount. Okay, like everything is built up with some kind of box element. Okay. Okay, so you can see the detail of the wireframe by through this one. So this is like shaded wireframe view. And then this is a split mask. This is nothing here. And global illumination. Okay, you can see. And then okay, these items are right now invalid because of the geometry you are seeing. They are currently running off without the baking. So if you bake your scene, then you can see these things, that the albedo will appear, the emissive will appear, UV charts will appear, and all that things. Okay. So right now you can see only the shaded wireframe. Okay. Right now, because of these are invalid, because of the scene is not in bake mode. Okay, they are real time. Okay, and this one this one is 2D or 3D. This is 2D, this is 3D. You can convert your scene in a 2D view and in a 3D view, just one click. Okay, and then this is the light toggle off and off on option. If you click the light will gone. So like you see that no sky is here, only completely dark. And if you on and light is appear, the sky is appear, the sun is appear somewhere. Okay, so this light is responsible for the sky on and off, and this is toggle the audio on or off. If you have any audio in your scene, then you can toggle it. And then they are the skybox off, fog off. These are the layers. You can see these are the layers. Okay, the default option is you have to on all the things. Let's say the post processing, I off the post processing. So this is the post processing off. Okay, see how dull the scene is, the post processing off. And when I on the post processing, the proper lighting is appearing. Okay, see this one. Okay, so this is the kind of a layer option. Okay, always refresh and all that things. Okay, and now this is the x-axis, global axis, so you don't need to toggle these things that y-axis is up, z-axis is up, x-axis is up. So don't touch that if you don't know. Okay, what else? Another thing is, okay, this one is the layers on the right hand side. This one is the layers. So this is a complete different thing, like the layers. When I go to the layers, let's say nothing, when you click on nothing, everything is out of the scene, so you can see only the sky and the the plane of the land, or after the hemisphere thing. Then what you can do is click on everything, so everything will appear. Let's say click on everything, click on default, click on UI, click on everything. Post processing, you can on and off the post processing also here. So this is kind of a layer, another type of layer. Okay, and yeah, the water weather UI default. Okay, try to on and off. So sometimes this kind of layering things, this kind of layer is very important for for managing the scene. Okay, so and then this one, if you click on this one, game will start. And the scene will go in a play mode, and if you pause them, then a pause mode. So this is and this is the account section. If you want to sign in with your account, with your Unity account, then this is the option. You can go to the sign in option. So yeah, and the layout. Oh, finally the layout. It's the this is the default one. So let's say click on 2x3. 2x3 is this one. Okay, 4 split is this one. Okay, so yeah, so I actually prefer the default one, because default one is actually easier for me, and I'm habitual with the default one. So yeah, it's the the designer's preference, that what layout they are comfortable with. So I'm comfortable with the default one. So let's have the default one. So hope this will help you by managing your scene view with the game asset. And these tricks and tips are very helpful when you have a very big project. You are dealing with multiple game objects and all that thing. So maybe you need to see the wireframe, maybe you need to see the shaded wireframe. So okay, so for the the poly count and all that. Okay, and after you bake, your scene. If you need to bake that scene, then you can see these options, that UV chunks, bake layout, the light overlapping, and all that things. Okay. So I think this is the end of this tutorial, or tips or tricks. I hope you will be with me. You will be with me on my channel, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.